guys, my name is Cassandra Marie. Welcome to Glamourgains, a channel dedicated to helping you achieve all things glamour and all things gains. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is this fall makeup tutorial. How fast did frickin' summer go? I feel like we didn't even have a summer. Fall is here already. So, you know, it's gonna be September. By the time this uploads, it should be Monday. So this is a series on my channel called Makeup Mondays. I will be uploading Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You will get a Makeup Monday series, you will get a Wellness Wednesday series, and a Fitness Friday series. And then in October, my favorite freaking month, my favorite freaking holiday is Halloween, I will be trying to upload 4 times. I'm gonna try to upload 4 times a week because I have a lot of Halloween looks that I want to get put out there. I feel like that will really help my channel grow as much because that's one of my favorite things to do is like Halloween makeup. So that's like maybe might be one of my niches, I don't know. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. So if you want to see how I got this fall makeup look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. So I did brows and foundation off camera. Here I'm taking Fit Me concealer in the number 25. I ran out of this concealer, so you're gonna see me using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye concealer. Just applying that in triangles underneath my eyes and then also down the center of my nose. And we're just gonna blend that out with our beauty blender. Since it's fall, comment down below one of your favorite fall scents. Mine has to be anything pumpkin spice, especially candles. So here I'm taking e.l.f.'s contouring palette. I'm taking these 2 colors, mixing them together, and I'm just using this for a contour on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and underneath my jawline to give me an even skin tone with that lighter concealer color. Here I'm using Coverall's Magic Halo to set my concealer. I really need a new one. Do you guys have any recommendations on setting powders? NYX Illuminator in Narcassist, one of my favorites, as the highlight. Here I'm using the Soft Glam palette. I'm using these 2 colors right here, blending them together. That's going to be our crease color. Just keep blending until you get a base for the rest of the shadows. I'm taking another darker color here just to blend that out. And this palette is really good for fall. It has all the perfect fall colors. So here I'm just taking the lighter shade for my brow highlight and the darker shade for the crease. And this color I'm just popping on the lids. I know it was really quick, you guys, but it is very easy to follow. A little inner corner highlight and onto It Cosmetics Hello Lash for the lashes. So I applied mascara, lashes, and wing liner off camera. Here I'm taking the Kiss Me August collection, the burgundy color, and also the pink color. I will have the exact names listed in the description box down below. With darker shade lipsticks and lip glosses, you want to take your time, especially if you're not using a lip liner, because you don't want to create a mess. It's very hard to clean up once you started with darker colors. So I suggest you take your time, go really slow, and just outline your lips first and then fill them in. Or use a lip liner to make it more simple on yourself. And here's the final look. Alright guys, I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to fly. First, love yourself. See you in my next video.